Hello again and welcome back to another episode of Hacknet. This is a tutorial video for the NAIX or NAIX missions, where the little hacker kid tries to compromise your own system and delete the system, the X server file. So I will try to explain the ways you can beat this mission, and there is an optional path you can go. So you can join another faction, and you will get an email from Entropy after you done enough missions with the subject aggression must be punished. So you need to go on different servers and delete files. Like let me see. Uh, yeah, it will probably I will probably get the information about the about the file in the next email. No, here. Great deal of internal data from Microsoft Inc. So we have to look for archive files from Microsoft. So this is the proxy node where Entropy expects the file to be. So I add this, and first we go to the asset server and check for new files, and we got an SMTP overflow. So first download. Good. So let me close my shell. So we got the new executive. Let's delete the logs. So for this mission, you see if you probe the system, the proxy node, you need to break the proxy and 3 of the closed ports. So first you need to set up shell PCs. Just choose terminals which are already on which you are already administrator. So I choose Celestia internal. For you, it has another name. It's every game it's random. So just type in shell. You know how this works. And next I go to the Viper battle station. Shell again, and I choose my own PC. And this is important. Then you shell your own PC, and remember that you put it on bottom or on top, so you won't will have enough time later. So just remember, this is my shell, also on my own local PC. Check the IP address 24757, and here to add 24757. So this is the shell running on my own PC. So now we can go to the proxy node and break the proxy. Overload. After that, crack the ports. What's that? Oh, and there is no SMTP. What? Why not? No problem. Just disconnect. Go to the file system. Download again. Damn. Yeah, again. So if you crack this system, and delete the file on it, you will get an email from NAIX So scan the network, nothing here. File system, home. There, Microsoft Internal RAID archive. Remove that. And delete the logs. So there's the email. NAIX writes, "Are you kidding me? Blah 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 blah. I will find you. Say goodbye to your X server, idiot." Blah blah. So go to your own PC and go to the log file and such. Just set up the trap in your own shell. On your own shell. So just wait for him to come. So there he is. Bam. Trigger the trap. So you will flood the connection of your own node, and everyone connected on it will be disconnected. So we prevent NAIX from deleting our X server file. So no problem. But now it's the same as if he is deleting your X server file. You need to check the log files. So now here you can see. So this is my trap activate, my trigger, connection flooded. So 2 clients disconnected. This is me, the 247, and the 241 is someone else. This is not my IP address. So look up this IP address and you will find the aggressor. Here you can see also connection from 241, 251, and this is the same. So just first, you have this in mind, but first you need to set up your shell computers again. So just set up a connect command and then you go to 241, 251, 56131. So this is another proxy node. Just probe the system and you will see require for crack 1. Let's choose SSH for it's the fastest, I guess. Portec. So if NAIX deletes your X server file, you need to go with the terminal only on this server and get a X server file back. So I can do this for just the case. You go to the sys folder and download SCP the X server. So I will do it, but first I will rename it because I already have one, or I just will download it, X server file. So download and just look in the bin folder of the proxy node X22 and you will see web server 1. It's a new crack, so we want that too. Just download, okay, and delete the log files, of course. So before you disconnect, just scan this node and you will see, look at the net map, bam, a connection to NAIX root gateway. So we will go there in a second, but first I will show you how to set, what is this? Why is my transfer so... Okay, never mind. Just remove this. Okay, if you want to set the X file again, you need to go in the sys folder and make sure that the X minus server file is here, and then you need to reboot and minus I. So I stands for instant. If you just type reboot, it counts down from 5 to 0 and then reboot. But if you type with I, then it will reboot instantly, and the next time your system is booted again, you will have the terminal back, the whole GUI graphical. So this server file is now different from mine. It's green, not blue. It's green, but I don't like it because the netmap is placed. I don't remember either on the left side or on the right side, and I just want to keep my graphics like this because it's like you know how to use it this way. And okay, so now we want to go to NAIX root gateway, check it out, and we want to punish him for breaking into our system. So proxy detected overload. It can take a while. So make sure you have breathe shell. After that, I will SMTP and FTP at the same time. After that, SSH. So there's a little trick you can do. Just portag, disconnect and connect again. And you see the trace time I reset it. So now we can scan the system, but there's nothing there. Go into the file system. Go to bin. If you haven't download the web server one from the proxy, just do it here. And now we want to delete his X server file. So, and we got an email. Delete the log files. Just check home and you see the Microsoft Internal RAID archive and your server file. So we don't need that because he didn't delete ours. So just delete this, and this I will delete later. First, I will check my shell computers, remove the log files there. And my own, of course. So just check the email. Next subject GGWP, also good game, well played. Okay, I get it, fair enough. Stop messing with my shit. A bit sloppy leaving those logs on your box, but seriously, it's kinda looked like you had no idea what you're doing. But hey, this could all be for best. It's not every day you run into someone on the internet that's not a complete idiot. I've got a little test for you. So this is the optional side quest. He wants you to go to Nortron security web servers and replace the index HTML file with some other words like dicks, and just add the server to your netmap. Go to Nortron and probe the system. There's a firewall. Just analyze it. Okay. It's the same. So just webworm and SMTP. Okay. The passcode is Nortron. Okay, portag. So this took me a little while to figure out how to do this, but now we can go to the Nortron security web server and just scan. So nothing here. Found terminal, internal service server. Okay, here. Good job. And now we can check the system. Later. So the important data is the index, HTML. So just go in there, and now you see like in the body of the file, you see a text like Norton Security Services, or in the header you see Norton Security Services. So now you want to replace words with other words, like you choose first you need to flag the data as active, and you can do this by CAT index, and you are inside of it, so it's like open, and then you can replace, type it like just like this, and then you choose one word. I go for Norton. It's case sensitive, so just check if you type it right, and then space, and everything I write now will replace all Nortrons, like Dix. So NAIX asks us for replace something with Dix, so I do it, and now you see Dix Security Services, or Dix Security Services, Dix Security. So, and now I can, if you want to replace a string, you can type replace. Now I want to change experts, so Premier Digital Security Dix, for example, but I will choose experts like this, yes, and then make quotes and type dickhead, but I will type it like this to show dickhead, and press enter. So Premier Digital Security dickheads, so like this. So now we finished. We can go to the log folder and delete. So now we can disconnect and answer. Just reply, and he replies with hilarious, nice, real work of art, and real challenge. So now I need to go to the Norton mainframe server, and he wants us to gain admin access on the server, and if I manage it, he has something for us. So no problem for us, right? So we just looked up the Norton internal service server. Just go there, probe the system, and break into it. Firewall again. Oh, this time with a trace tracker, no problem. So solve the firewall ZRCZ1SO. Okay, portec. Now you can just disconnect and connect again. Scan the network. You got the mail server and the mainframe server. Check the file system for interesting stuff. So like J.R. Abrams, reminder, look at this. New email details. Good job. Add note. J.Abrams, and password is booty King 420. Good job. So there's nothing more for us. So now go to the logs, delete. Done. Now you go to the mail server and log in as j.abrams and password is bootyking420. Go. So can't log in, just look at this. As before, the firewall bypass password for all internal servers is 123456789ABC. Just write it down or remember it, whatever you want. So that's it. Nothing more for us here. This is like junk. Don't need to read this, but if you're interested in this kind of, then just read it. Log out, exit, and now go to the mainframe server and probe the system. So if I want to break the firewall like this, you see it's like an eternity to crack it. So just don't do it. You know the password. It's like 123456789ABC. So firewall is open. Now you can break the proxy and crack the server. You just need to gain admin access on the mainframe server and you will complete the quest. Webworm. But you can just look in the files and scan and fork bomb the server if you want to. Disconnect, connect again. So, done. File system, just look inside. Nothing here. So now you can first rename the X server file to xserver.as, and now you just need to delete the log files. And fork bomb the server, so it's gone, but it will come back. So now you need to reply to the email. Oh, just wait. Okay, and this time we can delete the log files. Okay, server's back on. Just go to the mail and reply. Why? What's your problem? Don't tell me I need to do it again. Okay, just do it again. So I'll just delete the log files and reply. Done. So now we got an important link. It's the link to EL's message board. And this is where the riddle fun begins for all you guys who love to do these riddles and quasi quests. You just can connect to this board and look for the second side quest. This is the third faction. It's EL. So I will do a cut here and just check out the video where I solve the puzzles on this side, but I suggest you do it on your own. But if you just want to see how it's done, or if you're stuck, you can check my videos out. Okay? So see you later.